Good day, traders. It's 20 minutes to 10 a.m. in the morning. I'm on time today. Okay, so we had quite the moving day to the downside. Usually it's to the upside first and then to the downside, but they just smashed it down and wondering like what's the reason? I don't know. I don't look at the news. A lot of people go, oh, what did the news say? What did the news say? Well, I think it's better to look at the chart and say, what the fuck is the chart telling you right here and right now? That's what you need to look at. Forget the damn news numbers. Be aware that there's news at 10 o'clock or whenever, 8:30, but don't always base your trade off of what the fucking news said. Just look at the chart. You can tell what's going on. If it's going down, you look for a sell setup. If it's going up, you look for a dip to buy. That's it. That's all. It's that simple. Anyway, here we go. Okay. This is the NASDAQ. See, we're looking at the 5-minute today. Why? Because the 2-minute would be too wild. Or I mean the 1 minute. I keep saying the 2-minute. The 1 minute. It'll probably give you a bunch of fake outs, So you gotta look at the 2-minute. So anyway, we had divergence right here to right here. Okay. Yeah, right down like that. You can see right here I had to tweak it a little bit and make it all look all, divergent and all. Yeah, so would have got short. Somewhere where it broke through these, this support level here, somewhere in here, or if you wanted to, you could have waited till here. And you would have got in and down it goes. And on the way, if you missed that trade, well, you could have got in one of these. Higher close, sell the sucker, and down it severely goes. See how much it went down from there? 123 points. You see the drawdown, ladies and gentlemen? Do you see it? Oh, my finger's locking up. You hear it snapping? Yeah. Ever since I took that shot, I got arthritis. Motherfuckers. Anyway, okay. There's the divergence. There's the setup to sell. Then we had a higher close, sell it with hardly any drawdown. That's what happens most of the time because it's at a higher price and it closes, and all the smart traders, all that they want to do is sell it. They don't want to buy it because there's a bull candle. They want to sell it at a higher price, a better price, in which they did, and it went down 123 points in 15 minutes. Okay? And then from there, well, you know what happened here. It just went sideways, and people were selling down here, and some were buying, and they got the scraps of it. That's what you got, just like the dog, the dirty, mangy dog. What did the dirty, mangy dog give you? Give you the scraps right here. Scraps of crap. Right. There's no trade in here that I can see. No. These are the two main setups. Right here, sell here or sell here, and that's it. Well, there's another one right here, but I wouldn't touch that with a 10-foot pole because look at it. It's like it went down 193 points to the bottom. Would you look to sell down there? No, no. You need to buy low, sell high. That's how it works. Okay, let's move on now to the S and the P. Okay. Now yawning. I think we had a trade here, huh? Yeah, we did. We definitely did. Come down like that. See? And then from right here, right up into here. That's divergent. Hidden divergence, okay? if it was a lower low divergence or, you know, a double bottom, then we'd know by looking at this line here which direction the price will go. But it's hidden divergence, so it's the opposite. It doesn't show that. I keep making that point ever since I discovered it, because I think that was like a boatload full of gold I found out with that. Let me tell you. It's something they got worked into their algo. Hey, Al? Are you fucking right, man? You're fucking right. There's a flaw. There's a loophole that I discovered. Okay? Look here now. You see how it's pointing down? Check that out. What do we have up here? We have a double top. Right up here. That's a double top. Because it's a double top, which way is it pointing on the OSMA? It's pointing down. That means it's going to go down, man. It's going to go down. Did it go down? Oh, you betcha it did. All the way down. Right there. Okay. Let's move on to the Dow, which is really crazy. The Dow shot up. It's one of those, you know, reverse days that is doing the opposite of what the other main suckers are doing, like the S&P and the Dow. You know, then the Nasdaq is doing the opposite. Why the fuck did it go up? And these suckers, look at this. That's the Dow. It rallied up. Here's the Nasdaq. Look at it. It fucking dropped from the sky. And then here's the bomb and the shrapnel that's left down here. It's a big bomb, and it went boom. That was it. Anyway, the Dow, don't understand why it went up. I don't see no fucking divergence here to buy it either. I just don't see it. I don't see anything up here I could tweak or do anything with. There's no divergence on it. Maybe if we go in the 1 minute, yeah. Yeah, for sure there is. Yeah, right here. See, it's going down. This one's going up. We'll just show you that quickly. See, right there. There's the divergence going down. This is the divergence going up. See, it's pointing up because it's a lower low. Pointing up meaning the price is going to go up. And that's what it did. Went up 130 points. And there's a double top up here too. But you'd have to use this one. Because you need something to draw it onto on the OSMA. You can't just draw it in here somewhere. Well, you can, but I'm not going to show you how that works. That's just looking too hard for divergence is what it is. You know what I mean? It's just looking too hard. So we just go down like this, right over there, wherever it goes, somewhere down there. I would have got short right in here. Would have sold it on the opening of the second candle right there. Stop is right up here, 29 points. And it went down 88, 89 points. But you see, once you got in right here, did the price come back up here and got your stop? No, because we know where to place the stop loss. We do. La-di-da. La-di-da. Oh, we had another trade here. Oh, yeah, there's always lots and lots of trades. Three amigos, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And you would have bought it right in there. And where is that? Oh, yeah, it's right there. I'm sorry, I'm tired again. I'm still all messed up with my injured leg here. Okay. So, there it is. You would have got in right there. It went up 27 points. What was the stop of the swing low? 26 points. So you just got your 1-to-1 on this trade. If we, make a bigger chart, you'll see it better. We got in right there on the opening, and you got your 27, 26 points. Gotta like that. Okay, that was the Dow. Let's take a look at the pound dollar now. Oh God, it had divergence all over town. All over the place. But I'm just going to draw one for you. A couple of them. Let's see. We got a wick to wick. A high and a higher high. And on the OSMA, we got what we need. We have it pointing down. See? Because it's a high, it's higher highs, right? When we have higher highs or lower lows, the OSMA, the way we draw the line on the OSMA, it tells us which direction it's likely to go. And it was telling you right there, sell it. Because the 5's below the 7, the price closed below the 5 and the 7, and you would have got short right there, and it went down 24 points on the pound. 24 pips. That was the divergence. And then we have another setup right here, a low and a lower low. Okay. Well, I already have it drawn on there almost. I don't know. That's something else. That's leftovers from yesterday. Okay, here's the divergence. Right there. See how it's pointing up? Lower lows on the chart, and the line is pointing upward. What does that mean? That means the price is going to go upward. It's going to go up right there. And sure enough, it went up. The stop at the swing low, 8 points. How much did it go up? It went up 16 points. We also had I kind of didn't qualify. Lower close, buy it up, it goes. Lower close, buy it up, it goes. Okay. Right there. And right there. Beautiful thing. That is on the pound dollar. Now what's the euro doing? Oh, look at that ugliness in there. Oh, that's ugly. I see one trade. Fuck. One trade. High and higher high. And right there. See it? Would have got in right there. Right on the opening. And it went down 13, 14 pips to the bottom. It went down more. It went down 18 pips. And our stop up here was 6 pips. But I have to ask you this question. When you got in the trade right there, did you have drawdown? No. Did it come swing right back up here and get your stop? No. Isn't that amazing? That's the most amazing fucking thing about this divergence. Is if you put your stop at the swing high and swing low, it doesn't come back and get you. It's just utterly amazing. It's a pot of gold, let me tell you. Like, I know today I'm going to sound like I'm conceited and I'm bragging and blah, 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 but I honestly believe. Doesn't mean you have to believe it, but I honestly believe what you're looking at right now and listening to is the fucking holy grail out of everything, in my opinion. Okay? That's what I believe. I believe that's the holy grail right in front of you, man. It gives you like painless entries where you put your stop, it never goes back there. It's like too good to be true. It's the grail, man. It's the fucking grail from Italy. Yeah, and Sicily, Italy. It's the fucking holy grail. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. God bless everybody who trades divergence from the way I teach it. Because it's the fucking grail, man. It's the grail. Let's move on now. Pound yen. Oh, not a good day on the pound yen. No, 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 no. There was a setup right here. Right here. And they buy-faked you. had a hockaloogie there. So you would have bought right there, and guess what happened? See, you would have bought right there. You would have got fucked. They would have fucked you. They would have screwed you right there on that one. Oh, I forgot to draw in my divergence right there. See, it's like 1 or 2 times out of, I'd say 15 to 20. You get a bad one, you know, you get a bad trade. That's just the way it goes. Did I mention this one? No, that was on the, oh, I got to show you that one. That's on the 1 minute. Let me go back here for a sec. Sorry. I forgot to show you this trade over here. Okay, so we had this trade right here. Here it is marked anyway. But we had this divergence trade. Okay, that's where the entry was. And then we had a pullback. We had the 5 cross back up over the 7. Okay, so on the 1 minute, if you were on the 1 minute today trading that, well, there's divergence there too, right here to right here. And there's the trade right there. Okay, see how close and tight that is? You would have entered right there, and your stop would have been right there. Do you know how many points that is right there? It's like 13 points. Did it come back there and get your stop? No, it just went down 100 points instead where it's supposed to go. Hidden divergence right there, ladies and gentlemen, which I call hard to see divergence. I got easy to see divergence, hard to see divergence. I got double tops and double bottoms divergence. And yeah, higher highs, lower lows. Yeah, it's all divergence. You got like, it's not only the Holy Grail, it's got like 6 or 7 different setups that you can look for and trade each day and make moolah. Yes. So anyway, that's the one on the 1 minute. I wanted to show that divergence to you. Okay. Now we looked at, yeah, pound yen. Yeah, so it gave us a bad trade. Euro yen. Yeah, it's a bunch of chop here. And there's no divergence up here, so it's a write-off today. The euro was not good. And what about oil? Oh, oil was very, very bad. Used to be so good. It was sweet as sweet could be, and now it's just full of fucking anger and hatred. Look at it. Look at that shit. It's just crazy shit. Don't trade oil, man. Stay the fuck away from it. And I'm not a financial advisor. Let's see if gold give us something sweet today. Gold. Oh, yeah, gold was beautiful today. Fook, look at this, man. Gold's beautiful today. Very, very beautiful. Look at that, man. Look at this divergence all over town. On every turn, we got divergence. Yeah. Right there somewhere. You would have got in somewhere in here. I don't know. And we got the buy it up right here. Went up 70 points, 85 points. Look at that. And this one that came down like this. Yeah. Oh, that one's in the wrong place, eh? It's gonna do some tricks and somersaults on me. I can't use that one. It's right here. See it? Ding, ding. Buy it, up it goes. Ding, ding. Sell it, down it goes. See that? See those higher highs and lower lows? See, it's just a beautiful thing, man. Just beautiful. I'm telling you, it's the Grail, man. It's the Grail. If you've been looking for the Holy Grail, you have now found it. Okay? What did Bitcoin do today? We follow Bitcoin and XRP now too a little bit. That's staying up there. Ah, yeah, they swamped XRP again. They've been doing it since 2017. It goes up and somebody comes and sells it back down. Somebody very crooked. Very crooked. Somebody that has probably something to do with Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's all I'm going to say about that. Okay, you want to learn more? Go to DAI, the digital asset investor. He'll tell you. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching and listening and yeah, and hanging out here. We got some good stuff on the Holy Grail. So anyway, if you're going to trade this afternoon, it's quite wild, so try and stay safe, because there's quite a few streamers today. Not all of them. Some of them they lost really big today, especially on the Nasdaq. It was fucking wild, man. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this shit all the way down. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. So what can you do? Even though it's volatile, I always see my divergence setups, man. That's why I call it the Grail. Anyway, hit the like button, subscribe. We'll see you tomorrow. Good luck and good trading.